Allah Almighty has created all the living creatures from water. As is stated in the Holy Quran, Allah Almighty says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي, and we made from water every living thing. Allah Almighty says that we have created all the living things from water. وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. In another verse, Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, وَخَلَقَ كُلَّ دَابَّةٍ مِّن مَّاءٍ, and He created all the creatures from water. So the living things are created from water. وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ, and the life is maintained via water. We know that water is the basic necessity of life of all the living creatures. Water is a basic necessity, and living things cannot maintain their life without water. Water is the basic necessity of our life. We are using the water in daily life so many times for drinking, for cleaning the things, and for a lot of necessities. We are using water on daily life. Our food and nutrition is ultimately dependent on water. All the vegetations, the crops, the different types of fruits, they grow because of water. So today we will recite few verses which describe the importance of water, that how much this water is important for you. You use this water for drinking. This water is a cause of growth of vegetation in which you pasture your cattle, and crops and date palms and grapes and all the types of fruits. They are grown due to this water. هُوَ الَّذِي, He is the one who anzala, sends down, minas samai, from the sky, ma'an, water, lakum, for you, minhu, of it, sharabun, is drink, wa minhu, and from it, shajarun, vegetations, that is, vegetations grow due to water, fihi tusimun, in which you pasture your cattle. Chapter 16, verse number 10. Allah Almighty says that Allah is the one, He is the one who sends down water from the sky for you, which you use for drinking, and it's a cause of growth of vegetation in which you pasture your cattle. Yumbitu, He causes to grow, lakum, for you, bihi, with it, azara, the crops, والزيتون, and the olives, والنخيل, and the date palms, والعناب, and the grapes, ومن كل الثمرات, and of every kind of fruits. Inna, indeed, fi, in ذلك, that, لآية, is surely a sign, لقوم, for a people, يتفكرون, who reflect. Allah Almighty causes with water to grow for you the crops and the olives and the date palms and the grapes and different types of fruits. Allah Almighty says that in that is surely a sign for people who reflect. وَسَخَّرَ, and He has subjected, lakum, for you, al-layl, the night, wal-nahar, and day, wal-shamsa, and the sun, wal-qamar, and moon, wal-nujumu, and the stars, musakharatum, are subjected, bi-amrihi, by His command. Inna fi zalika, indeed in that, la-ayatin, are surely signs, liqawmin, for a people, yaqilun, who reason. Chapter 16, verse number 12.